Hello traders, it's Tomek here from Nikos Trading Academy and welcome in my weekly Forex Forecast. Before I go to charts, I would like to invite you to visit my new website, which is dedicated to my one-on-one mentorship program. I decided to launch this because I know that at some point we need somebody to guide us, especially in the trading. I know it from my experience because my change also started from mentoring with Nikos. So that's why to help you to overcome the obstacles, to see maybe your trading difficulties from different perspective, I will be able to help you and guide you to the good way of thinking and good way of action. I split this program to like three major aspects in trading, which are, in my opinion, the key parts to achieve success. First, of course, is the technical part. Then we have planning part, and of course, the most important part is the mindset. And there, I will show you, of course, how to work with your emotions, how to feel, how to find limiting beliefs, how to overcome all those obstacles which we usually don't see because we are more focused on other aspects than on most important, which is mindset. So if you have any questions, just fill up this form, just contact me, so we can speak and see if I can help you and how I can help you. Okay, so now let's go to our charts. And first pair is Aussie dollar, sorry, US dollar. We took trade during our live trading room. However, it's in the range right now, and a lot of pairs right now are in the range. So definitely we are waiting to or for continuations or for possible retracements. Yeah, so it was quite difficult for me to find good looking charts. Sometimes we have a lot of them, so I don't know which one to pick up. This week I struggled to find the best ones, in my opinion. So first is Aussie dollar, US dollar. We have this situation where price is pointing down. Okay, we have this weekly trend line. Where is our next possible target? We have this resistance. Nothing really changed since last week. We have this next area is the support zone. And what is interesting here, that we have also this trend line breakout, and it looks like a long 1 to 3. We took short scenario in our live trading room, and I will show you where. We took it, and because there is also opportunity that this might be false breakout like previously, and then price after retesting resistance maybe will still push down. Okay, but we knew that this might be also possible long scenario and continuation to those levels. And this is what we can have, or longs or still short scenarios, maybe to retest the previous support zone. So if you go to daily chart, we had this nice trend line which was broken. Okay, price reached area of the support where we have to, of course, pay attention to this zone here. So we had this, we had reaction. We are still in this trade, and we took this first 1 to 3. Here we had this trend line, yes, here, and we took this setup. We'll see if it goes down or not. We place pending order, so it was somewhere here. Stop loss is here. Yeah, so we are still in this trade. You see how the whole week price was in the range. Targets are a little bit below this support. So definitely, if price continue to go down, I will start to observe this pair around this zone to see if we, because what we said, we can have reaction and price might to go up. So then we will see, of course, what to do, but we will also cover more during our live room. Now what we can do, we have to wait for price to get out from this range. Of course, unfortunately, we don't have much space to take the day trading scenarios, yes, because it's like around the 50 pips. Right now our trend line changed the angle. We can use this like that. We still have 3 touches. So if price, no, if you are a day trader, of course you still can. Yes, you still can. Whenever price breaks this area, after breakout, you can look for short scenarios. and try to target, of course, previous bottoms here. So this is not much, 35 pips. However, if we get breakout, we can have bigger move. So that's why if you are willing to risk, it's okay. If not, you have to wait for clear breakouts of this trend line and, of course, this support zone. Then we will start to look for buys, target this, and, of course, weekly trend line. Here, a confirmation of possible short scenario, and we look for sell. Euro yen weekly chart is pointing up. This is our next target here. Of course, we are late, yes, very late scenario, but price reached our 36 bounce. Right now, it's showing us momentum. So, or we still have continuation, yes, to retest this, maybe breakout and continuation. Or after reaching this, we will get double top, and then price, continue. Maybe we'll make bigger retracements. So this is our approach. If we look for the support zone is down here on those spikes here. So basically, this is in case if price start to reverse, because there is also a chance that this will be like a lower high. However, and then price will drop. However, right now it's pointing quite nicely to go still long. Okay. So those are the levels. If we look for the trend line on the weekly chart, we will see this line. So this is also area of the support, but right now it's right now it's not important for me much. We have 36 in between, so I will just simply wait for some development here. Daily chart is interesting because we had this daily trend line breakout here, and now price is making possible daily long 1 2 3. Of course, if we have retracement back to the 36 CMA, we want to still continue to buy, of course, target this. Right now price is bouncing on the 12, as you can see. So on the lower time frames, we might get opportunity still to look for possible long scenarios. Okay, daily trend line is here. So we see that it's a little bit far away right now from our current price action. However, this is trend line with the three touches. So if we get this and price starts to continue and won't break this line, you can look still for buys, but this will be as a bounce trading. Yeah, so we will see. The question is what we will get. If we look for 4-hour charts, this is our trend line here right now. Yeah, so basically we will see that price is around this line. Yes, if we have to go to lower settings even, yeah, with lower time frames, sorry. So on the lower time frames, it seems that trend line is broken. Yes, if we draw it like that, we can look for a possible. I would call it aggressive because we still, you see, price didn't break that. Yes, we have breakout of the line, but there is still room for the retracement. However, if we get the setup, yes, if we have something like this, whenever price breaks this, you can look for buy scenarios, but I would lower the risk in this case. Because like you see on the 4-hour chart, price moved, stop, and if we get this retracement, this might also look like a 4-hour chart, like a false breakout and another, try to go down. I know a lot of things are going on this pair, but of course you have to trade together with your trading plan. I just give you the ideas how price might react and where price might to go. Okay, so if we want to try to sell it, whenever price starts to break this zone, we can look for short scenarios to target, of course, daily 36 CMA with area of the support, which is also here, and then we have trend line. In case of the breakout, we have this support. Euro dollar still in the same zone. We have this resistance, we have this support. Still, or this is lower high, yes, and we'll get drop, or we have this up move, long 1 2 3 and continuation to this resistance. Now price is reacting as you can see around the 36 CMA. So if you go to daily chart, still hesitation, nothing special here. right now. Good thing is that we are on our profit zone, which is this trend line. So right now it's much easier than euro yen. We will simply wait for breakouts. Yes, so if we have breakout to go long, of course we want to target previous stops. You can even look for the 4-hour chart opportunities. You have also resistance on the daily chart here. So day trading, this is where you have to manage your positions. And in terms, if price breaks this line and start to continue to push down, we have support zone here. And then we have, of course, the next level. So right now we stay away from euro dollar. You see, it's not giving us any direction right now. It's better to wait for breakout here, wait for breakout here, or if you are interested in scalping, whenever price starts to move down, you can look for possible short scenarios to target this zone again, but it's only 25 pips, so it's not much. So I think it's better patiently wait for possible breakout here or here and then decide to go long or short. GPN, it's climbing up, reached the previous top. Okay, this is also our support, where we have to find if there is something higher. And as you can see on the GPN, we still have those stops. As you can see, this area is quite strong regarding the resistance. Next one is far away because it will be around another 700 pips. But of course, we know that for yen pair, it's not a problem right now if we pay attention for that. So or we have breakout and price continue, or right now we'll have some reactions on the resistance. So if we go to daily chart, right now you see price is struggling, is in the range. So we don't have much. However, we are on the good area. So that's why I like this pair, because if we have this range right now, if we have breakout, we can have continuation. If price breaks this, we can have bigger retracement. Our first target will be 36 EMA, and then we can aim also this area of the support after breakout of the 36 EMA. Right now you can see lower time frames are not so perfect because of this range. If you go to 1-hour chart, day traders, yes, we had this breakout, possible retracement right now. Yes, whenever price starts to react here, you look for buy scenarios and target this. So this is opportunity for day traders because we had this move. If price reached this resistance and you see that there is hesitation, you can look for short scenarios, look for bounce entries, and your main goal, of course, will be this bottom of this support. Okay, so this is what we have here. USDCAD also in the range on the weekly chart, which is very visible. It's interesting situation right now because it's forming for us a short weekly 1 to 3. More details we'll get on the daily chart, but if on the daily we'll see that there is resistance zone, and this is also like a 50% of the range. So this is quite interesting what is happening. Level is good because now you see this, we have this double top right now on the daily chart. Price again reacted, however we still don't see this momentum. Yes, this momentum. Price just stopped on those previous bottom, which give us range on the lower time frames, but we are on the good level. So if price breaks that, I would pay attention for buys and target resistance. If price starts to continue to go down, previous bottom support zone is our target. So if we go to 4-hour chart, you will see what I mentioned. Yes, we have this, you see. So to really look for short scenarios, I would wait for this. Okay. But if this holds this range, we can of course still look for scenarios to trade in this. How? No, right now we right now we have short 1 to 3 on the 1-hour chart, so we can try to mix this with the 5-minute. However, we already have this setup. Yes, on the 5-minute chart, this was our setup, but it was a little bit, for me, too late to take it on the day trading because 8 o'clock Friday, it's not good to take the trades on the 5-minute time frame, unfortunately. it's better to stay away for such trades, in my opinion. So if you get another setups and there is a, but you don't have much space, you see 25 pips, so it's not worth to try. I would still wait for two options here. Of course, I'm saying right now about the day trading. Whenever price reach this bottom and stop here and starts to break this, you can again look for buys and target resistance. But if price gain momentum, stay below all form of the retracement, you look for short scenarios and you target, of course, this previous bottom here. And the last is gold. However, gold is also not giving anything here. We had this, of course, long scenario, long momentum to buy. Price broke those tops, created new top here. Retraced, didn't continue to go up. We have right now 1 to 3 informing, so this will be interesting if price will bounce on the 36 or will go a little bit lower, bounce here, or this is just the false breakout. And again, if we pay attention for bigger perspective, we will stay in this range, and after false breakout, price again will fall down to this zone. We will see. This is, of course, the levels right now. We have also this area here, 36 trend line. So like you said, nothing interesting because you see what is going on here on the daily chart. We are squeezed, so we really have to wait for a breakout here or breakout here. Short scenarios, this is our target. Can we adjust this a little bit for the daily chart? This is the first zone and this is the second zone. For gold, okay, so you wait for breakouts. If you go to 4-hour chart, now we need to wait. Yes, it's really nothing special here, so no point to trade this, okay? So that's all, guys. Again, I would like to invite you to visit my new website dedicated to one-on-one mentorship program. Below this video, you have a link. Read about my offer. If you have any questions, just contact me. Definitely, this will help you to overcome obstacles which you already have. It's better. It's always better that someone else is looking for your issues with different perspective, in my opinion. This is also how my road in trading changed, because I started mentorship with Nikos. So really, I invite you, you can just contact me, we can have a small chat. It's not that we have to work together, but if you have any questions, again, just fill up this form and let me know, okay? Thanks a lot, guys. Wish you all great Saturday and see you soon. Bye.